All right, here's the numbers behind the Drumright, Oklahoma asset. So it's a great house. I'm going to make an offer on it. BP on this is 310. Payoff on it is 212. Current UPB is 194. There is some equity on it. It's pre-judgment. Like I said, bank is looking roughly for about what the payoff is on it, but it's in a good shape. Depending on where it's at in the foreclosure process, if it's a fast foreclosure, as far as time frame, because it's pre-judgment. So we'll see what it is. But this is an opportunity, I think, if you can get down a little bit below 210, it might be worth getting it. If you make a little money at the foreclosure auction, it sells. Okay, it sells at the auction. But if you don't, you step into about $100,000 in equity. So this is something I might be willing to take. It's far enough out, depending on days on market and what a realtor tells me. That might make it worthwhile. Of course, if it's over 6 months on days on market out this neck of the woods, then it's a no-go because it's just too long. But potential opportunity here. Great little place, a lot of value, and we'll see what the numbers say when we talk to our fund. Bye.